What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I'm going to show you a short-term strategy for passive investors. That's right. This is going to be a short-term strategy. Now, I know most of the time when it comes to passive investors, I'm showing you long-term strategies because you're not going to be building. But what I'm going to show you today requires no building at all, which is going to show you how to have success as a short-term investor, guys. So look, before I jump right into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump right into this. But hold up. You know, I got to let you know this. The merch is coming. The merch is coming. That's right. I got the Crypto King merch dropping very soon. Keep your ears and eyes open. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, guys, because I'm going to drop it very soon. We're going to do a giveaway as well. You know, the first 100 people who purchase from the shop going to be entered into a crypto giveaway. Yeah, we doing it the right way, guys. I'm telling you, this is going to be absolutely amazing. So you guys stay tuned for that. All right, I'm not going to bore you with that anymore. Let's go ahead and jump right into this strategy because I know that's what you came on this video for, right? You want to see a strategy for success, and I'm telling you, I think this is going to blow your mind, right? You can't do this at your local financial institution. You can't do this at your local bank, anything like that, guys. I'm telling you, this is going to be incredible. All right, let's get right into it. So most of the time I give strategies, it's talking about, you know, building and doing all that type of stuff. But now I'm going to show you a short-term strategy for passive investors. So if you're the passive guy that says, look, you know what? I don't really feel like talking to anybody. I don't want to introduce to anybody else. I just want to grow my money through NovaTech. And I want to show you a way that you could do this. And one of the ways that I think is the best ways to doing this, right? And it just depends on you if this is your type of strategy. Some people are the go all in type. Some people are like, look, hold a little back, you know, whatever you want to do. But I want to show you this, and maybe this may be something for you. All right, so let's get into it. So you guys know I love to brag about the NovaTech performance reports. Now, the one for this week, quick disclaimer, it's not uploaded in the back office yet. It will be uploaded very soon, but we already been paid for it. Isn't that incredible that we got paid for the results before they even uploaded them into the back office? That's a good deal. That's a good deal. We got paid on last Friday for our passive results. That is incredible. Okay. All right. Let me get off that. But here are the performance reports, right? So on this first performance report, you see the result was 3.21. Then we had 3.50 the week before that. Before that was 3.80. Week before that, 3.24. Week before that, 3.40. Week before that, 3.40. You see the trend, guys. I can go back a year and you're going to see, as you can see on this chart right here, this has been a consistent performance, and we can expect at least 3%. So that's why I always use 3%. Is it going to usually be more than 3%? Most likely, right? We can't guarantee the future results by the past results, but I want to tell you that it's been pretty good. And so what I'm going to count on is around 3%. That's what we're going to use as our baseline here, okay? So if we could count on 3% and we had a passive investor that comes in and says, hey, look, you know, I'm ready to grow my money passively and I want to see what this platform can do for me. Well, we're going to introduce them to compounding. Now, you know, compounding is the art of taking what your returns are and taking those returns and actually putting them back into your trading balance. That's how we compound in NovaTech. You take your returns for the week, and every week you put them back in your trading balance. So now you're trading on the higher balance, and you keep doing that over and over and over again every single week until your balance just explodes, right? Your balance just grows and grows and grows, right? That's what we do. But I want to show you guys this. If someone came in with $10,000, now this is a quick 6-month strategy. I want you guys to see how powerful this is. Someone came in with $10,000, and we're going to say, on average, NovaTech is going to get us a 3% weekly return. We're going to do this for 6 months, and we're going to compound our returns every single week, right? If we do that and we go ahead and hit calculate, what it's going to show us is that our investment value after 6 months is $21,565.91. Now, that's incredible. You started with $10,000, right? You more than doubled your money, okay? More than doubled your money just with this. So I think that's incredible. But here's what I want to tell you to do. At this point, at the 6-month mark, what you can do is go in and withdraw your original $10,000. So withdraw your original investment, which was the $10,000. When you do that, what is that going to leave you with, right? That's going to leave you with the $11,565.91. So you go ahead and you take that, and that's what you're going to start with, because you're going to withdraw your initial investment, right? So let's say if somebody came in with 10,000, they had 50,000 in their bank. They decided to take just 10,000 from that savings account that's not paying them any money, right? They took 10,000 for that, slid it over here to NovaTech. In 6 months, they doubled their money. Right? So they could take that 10,000, put it back in their bank account and let it sit over there and not do anything again, right? But that's if they want to do that. But now they have $11,565 that they can work with in NovaTech. That's all house money. House money is money that you made from the platform, right? House money is not your original capital, but the money that you've made from the platform. So this is all profit money, right? So the $11,000 is all profit. So we're going to paste this into the initial balance now, because we're going to start fresh from this point with just the 11,565. Okay, so if you multiply this 11,565.91, $11,565.91, and if you multiply this out 3% weekly, right? That's $346, almost $350 a week that you're making off of house money. So I want you guys to understand this. If you didn't want to compound anymore after this, you don't have to, right? And you're going to make $346 a week, at least, pretty much, off of this money if you're getting 3% a week. Now, I want you guys to see how powerful that is. If you're making $350 a week, $700 every 2 weeks, $1,400 a month, right? $1,400 a month off of this, and it's all house money. Y'all get that $1,400 a month. You put $10,000 in. You compound it for 6 months. After 6 months, you have $21,000. You withdraw your initial capital to $10,000. It leaves you with $11,565. You take that $11,565, let that stay in NovaTech, and it's going to produce, you're going to get 3% returns every week. That's about $350 every single week that you're going to be receiving perpetually. I don't like to say forever, nothing lasts forever, but perpetually, right? For a long time, that you're just getting that money off of that. Now, if the smart person would be like, if compounding got me here before, why can't I let compounding get me here again? So let me show you something that'll blow you guys away. I showed you the short-term strategy, right? To double your money, more than double your money. 6 months, you could double your money. Unheard of, right? Passively, no building, passively. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take that same 3%. We're not going to, because it's house money, it's not even your initial capital, right? This is money that you made. So what we're going to do is say, hey, look, if I let this hang out here for 3 years and I compound every week off of this house money because I got my initial capital back, and I do this for 3 years and I calculate this, guys, that's $1,163,554 in 3 years. Off of house money, right? I showed you the short-term strategy I told you about, but I showed you how to take that short-term strategy, right, to double your money, pull your initial capital back out, play with house money, and use house money to make you $1 million. That is incredible. I don't care what way you cut it. And it's just the numbers. Some people ask me, like, how is this possible? It's the numbers. You see the numbers. This site is not, this compound calculator is not by NovaTech. It's not commissioned by NovaTech. It's not commissioned by me. This is just the numbers. It's plain and simple. And you've seen the numbers that NovaTech has been putting up for the last almost 3 years. For the last over 2 years, guys, that they've been putting up these type of results. So I'm not guaranteeing you anything, but it's more probable that it's going to be around for another 2 years, right? If it's around for another 2 to 3 years, like I said, we do this for 3 years. Now I'm thinking NovaTech is one of these legacy companies. That's what my thought process is on it now. But I'm just want to tell you that I believe this is absolutely incredible that we have something like this on our hands. Now, somebody's probably saying, I always like to go back and I want to show you that, yes, there's something that you could do at a lower level, right? So let's do the $1,000, right? So if we do the same strategy with 1,000, we're not going to do the 3 years. We're going to do the 6 months. See, because what NovaTech is so powerful at what it does, and it specializes in what it does as far as getting us returns, and I like the way they do it. So if we do 6%, right, we're doing 3% weekly. We're going to compound it every week. We're going to do it for 6 months. 3% weekly, compound it every week. We're going to do it for 6 months. We're going to calculate it at 1,000. You turn 1,000 into 2,000. So you could take that same strategy, pull your initial 1,000 out. It's going to leave you with the 1156, right? And then what you could do is take this 1156, and then you can play with the house money from here. You can play with all house money. You're going to do the 3% weekly. But let's say if you're now able to give this thing 2 years, you just play with the house money, compound for 2 years. What you're going to see is that you are making $25,000. You're going to turn that into $25,000. From 1,000 into 25,000. That's incredible, guys. This right here is a game changer here. This is a game changer for most people. Most people don't have another way to be able to do this, but now there is a way to do this. This is a game changing strategy, right? So as you can see, it's beneficial for a lot of people. Let's take this out 3 years. I want to do this 3 years too, because I'm just curious right now. So let's take this out for 3 years. That's $116,000 in 3 years. $1,000, 1156 turns into $115,000. $116,000, I'm sorry, in 3 years. That's incredible, guys. All right, so let me get off of that. But here's what I want to share with you all, guys. Here's what I want to share with you all. I know a lot of people are saying, hey, look, I want to do this. Most of you are like, hey, I'm interested. I'm sold. I'm on it, right? I know. I get the emails all the time. But I know some people are saying, how do I get this amount of Bitcoin, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you ways that you can get this amount of Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency to send over to NovaTech so that you can participate in this, right? I'm going to show you how you can actually do that. Because I don't want anything to hold you back from getting to these types of returns that you deserve. Your money is going to make somebody rich. Why not you? Your money is going to make somebody rich. Why not you? So I want to show you guys that on the next video. Stay tuned. That video is coming out today. I told y'all 2 videos a day until, for the whole week. That means y'all getting 10 videos. Monday through Friday, I'm dropping 2 videos a day, guys. Right? So you're going to expect 10 videos from me this week, but later on today, you're going to see a video that's showing you how to get the large amounts of Bitcoin, or at least the way that I know that works for me consistently, okay? So I'll show you guys that. All right, guys, you know what we're going to do, right? You already know. We're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well. We will only invest what we are willing to lose, and we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out.